In this lesson, I'm gonna talk about a simple topic, which is basically adding and subtracting numbers. So let's start by adding numbers or addition. So by definition, addition is basically bringing two numbers or objects together to make a new total. So if I have a circle and I want to add another circle, so in total I'll be having two circles. If I have a star and I want to add another two stars, so in total I'll be getting three stars. So this is the first star, this is the second star, and this is the third star. So in total, three stars. Now, in this example, it's a very simple one. It says, write the answer of the following operation using numerals. So numerals means numbers. So in the first one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 squares. Plus, in the second one, I have 1, 2, 3. So 3 squares. So imagine I'm holding 4 squares in one hand and another 3 squares in the other hand. So if I want to put these squares together, so I'm bringing these squares together, I'll be getting 4 plus 3, which is 7 squares. So the answer is 7 squares. Now let's talk about a simple note, which is swapping places. So swapping the position of the numbers we're adding still gets the same result. So imagine I have 2 sticks plus 3 sticks. So in total, the answer is 5 sticks, which is 2 plus 3. So this is the first stick, this is the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So 5 sticks. Now, if I want to swap the position of the sticks in the first example, so in the first position I have 3 sticks, while in the second position I have 2 sticks. So if I want to add 3 plus 2, I'll be getting the same result, which is 5 sticks. So swapping the position of the numbers we're adding will still give me the same answer. Now let's do an example about adding numbers. So it says, evaluate the following. So I have 2,100 plus 359. So the way that I'm gonna do this question is by putting these two numbers above each other. So I have 2,100 plus 359. So 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 5, 5, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 2 plus nothing is 2. So let me write what I just said. So 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 2 plus nothing is 2. So the answer is 2,459. Now in the second example, I have 12.56 plus 1.39. So again, I'm putting these two numbers above each other. So I have 12.56 plus 1.39. So let's add. So I have 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So here I have 5 and above I have 1. Now, I have 5 plus 3 is 8 plus this one. So 5 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then I have the decimal point. Then I have 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus nothing is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus nothing is 1. So the answer is 13.95. Now it's time to talk about subtraction. So by definition, subtraction is taking one number away from the another. So imagine I have 5 apples and then I decided to remove 2 apples. So I'm putting a cross on the first apple and another cross on the second apple. So again, I have 5 apples and I want to remove 2 apples. So I'm left with 3 apples simply because I have 5 and I want to subtract or remove 2 apples. So 5 minus 2 and the answer is 3 apples. Now, if I have 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Now let's talk about the names of these numbers. So number 8, when I have subtraction, number 8 is called minuend, which is the number that is to be subtracted from. 3, it's called subtrahend, which is the number we are subtracting. And 5 is called the difference, which is the result of subtracting a number from the another. Now let's do an example. So in the first part I have 359 minus 62. So again, to do that, I'm putting the 2 numbers above each other, so vertically. So 359 minus 62. So first I want to subtract 9 minus 2 and the answer is 7. Then I want to subtract 5 minus 6. However, I can't do that because I can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So I can't say 5 minus 6 equals to a certain number. So what should I do? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take 1 from 3. So 3 becomes 2 and the 1 I'm going to put it beside the 5. So it becomes 15. Now I can say that 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Then I want to subtract 2. So here I have 2, not 3. So 2 minus nothing is equal to 2. So the answer is 297. Now in the second part, again, I'm putting 1.25 minus 0.14. Now first I have 5 minus 4, which is 1, and 2 minus 1, which is 1, a decimal point, and finally 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. So the answer is 1.14.